let's also focus on another engineering company, that's Azad Engineering, which came out with its results, and it's been a very, very strong quarter for them as well. And today we are joined by Vishnu Malpani, the Executive Director at Azad Engineering. Hi Vishnu, thank you so much for joining us. Very good morning to you. And very strong performance this quarter. Let's first talk about segments. Your energy and oil and gas revenue, that has seen a good 36% year-on-year growth. Aerospace and defense, again, another 30% over there. So going forward in the second half of the fiscal, what is the kind of mix that you're expecting?
So first of all, thank you for having us on the show. You're right, we've had the highest ever quarter and highest ever half-yearly numbers, both in terms of revenue and in terms of bottom line. So all segments for Azad have sort of done really well. While energy and oil and gas have grown at about 36%, you see a good 30% growth in aerospace as well. So, and the balance of the year, you would see that, as a blended aspect of the business, we should maintain our guidance and beat our guidance, which should be over 25 to 30% across verticals.
All right, good to know that. Vishnu, hi, morning. This is Shrishti also joining in. But let's talk about your order book as well. Order book has strengthened with the phase 2 of Mitsubishi contract. Yeah. What's the overall executable order book now? And what's the visibility going ahead?
So, until Mitsubishi's order, we were roughly at around $700 million of order book, which is to be executed over the next 5 to 6 years. Now, in addition to this, we've signed the phase 2 of, Mitsubishi's contract. Now, total order book with Mitsubishi is close to about 1,500, odd crores for us. So that is incremental to it. You would have also seen that, we recently signed an MOU with Safran Aircraft Engines, France, and, there are a lot of other developments that are happening. So we see good inflow of orders coming in at the same time, while, there is a very high demand for the products that Azad is making and supplying to our global OEMs. We are building capacity at the same rate. So in this, year, we've so far inaugurated 3 lean manufacturing facilities for our customers. These are dedicated facilities where we should be able to ramp up our productions for them. So we see this momentum continuing in the business for the next, for the near term and the long term. And that's why our growth momentum or the growth guidance is 25 to 30% for a longer period of time as well.
Understood. But any number that you could give us as far as the order inflow is concerned, any guidance that you can share with us over there?
I won't be able to comment on the orders that we've not, that are yet to be declared to the market. So, but you can expect a few, good announcements to happen over the next few quarters.
All right, we'll watch out for that, Vishnu. But with this, we'll let you go. Thank you so much for